Welcome to the Ledger Crypto series. This is a part of a series of videos where we're going to talk about the Ledger device as it relates to crypto. My first video introduced what is a Ledger device and why you should purchase one. The second video showed you how to set up the Ledger device for first use. And today I'm going to show you guys how to purchase your first crypto and then transfer it to your Ledger hardware wallet. If you're interested in watching the previous videos or the future videos of this series, because there is going to be more, I would recommend clicking on the playlist in the description or the end screen at the end of this video. I live in Canada, so I'm going to be covering some options of purchasing crypto that will work both in Canada and the US. We're going to be talking about two applications. The first one is called Shakepay. In Shakepay, you can purchase only Bitcoin and Ethereum currently. And in Coinbase, you have the option to purchase a vast amount of crypto. If you're going to be purchasing mostly just Bitcoin or Ethereum, I would highly recommend that you use Shakepay, as their fees are quite a bit less than they are on Coinbase. There are currently 1,800 plus cryptocurrencies that you can transfer into your Ledger hardware wallet, but before you make that purchase, you're going to make sure that that is actually one of the ones that you can transfer onto the hardware wallet so that you can keep it safe. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to make a purchase in Shakepay, then transfer that into your Ledger hardware wallet. With Shakepay, you deposit money into your Shakepay wallet by way of e-transfer. It takes about 30 seconds for the transfer to arrive, and then you're ready to purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you've made your purchase, you choose the option to send crypto, and in your Ledger Live, you choose the option to receive crypto. You want to make sure that the public key matches before you accept on your Ledger. You can use the QR code scanner to initiate this transaction. Once you accept it, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes to move into your Ledger wallet. I would definitely recommend doing a smaller transaction your very first time. Don't transfer all of your, if you got like thousands of dollars of Bitcoin that you've purchased on Shakepay, please don't try to transfer all of that into your hardware wallet. If you make a mistake, you're going to lose that crypto. So you definitely want to make sure that you do like a small amount, maybe something like $50 for the first time, and make sure that this process works for you. It is going to work for you if you follow it to a T. So once you hit accept, it will take about 2 to 3 nail-biting minutes to move into your Ledger wallet, and you've effectively made your first crypto purchase, held in the safest way you possibly can. I'm not going to show you guys how to do this exact same thing in Coinbase, because literally the buttons are almost exactly the same. The entire process, hitting send on their end and then receive on the Ledger Live end, exactly the same. So I don't want to bore you guys with those details. Just one thing you should know is in Coinbase, the way they get money into Coinbase isn't through e-transfer. It's actually by connecting an account. I chose to connect my checking account. I think you can do PayPal or something. I'm not sure. I just went checking account. I'm going to put some links in the description where you guys can safely go ahead and download the Shakepay and Coinbase applications directly from them. I hope you found this video informative. If you're into these bite-sized videos where I review and then show you some how-to videos down the road on things I buy, then please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.